So, Stephen Donzinger, his trial has resumed just today on May 10th, 2021. And it was postponed several times, but it's finally resumed now. And I just wanted to give you a heads up. I just wanted to let you know about this, that this is something to keep an eye out for, because his case reminds me of, you know, the Assange extradition, in the sense that, you know, it's full of corruption, miscarriage of justice, and that's putting it mildly. It's really a persecution is the right word. Okay, so what happened here, Stephen Donzinger, what he did, he exposed how Chevron polluted, enormous swaths of land in Ecuador, and this caused, you know, environmental damage, and it caused the indigenous people living there lots of diseases and illnesses, and they had to pay out several billions of dollars, right? And they refused. So what did Chevron do instead? They started to fight him through the courts, right? They basically fixed the system and accused him of corruption, right? They accused him of gaming the case, and basically they locked him up now in house arrest because he refused to hand over his laptop, okay? And so a judge ordered him to, you know, ordered him under house arrest. And now he's spent, I think, over 700 days in his home, in his apartment in Manhattan, right? And you have to remember, Chevron, I mean, this is a company with extraordinary amounts of resources and reach and influence, and they've got these corrupt judges and this corrupt legal system to screw him. Why? Because he exposed their pollution, their wrongdoing, and their corporate greed. And so his trial has resumed today. It's a scandal, honestly. And you need to keep an eye out for this. And I'm going to have more on the case, but just wanted to give you this heads up. And it's very, very, very important, right? So there you go. Chevron trial and Stephen Donzinger.